Buongiorno ladies, hope you're all well. Today I'm gonna share with you some of my beauty secrets and skincare routine, and I will make a DIY anti-wrinkle face mask. We're on a beautiful island of Sardinia while camping in this magical beautiful place. So if I can do it in this environment, I'm sure you can do it easily at home. My name is Vera, and together with my husband Aldo, we're traveling around the world since 2016. We have converted this Toyota Land Cruiser into a tiny home on wheels, and for the past 5 years we crossed 5 continents and visited over 50 countries. If you would like to find out more about us, you can watch this quick video up here. Many of you ask me, how do I manage to take care of myself in the conditions I live? So I decided to make some YouTube videos to share with you my natural beauty secrets. Because we ladies are and should look beautiful always, yesterday, today and tomorrow. And do it not for somebody else, but for our own self. Because you as a woman deserve it. So today's video will be dedicated to one of my favorite wrinkle-free, tightening and glowing face masks. So let's get started. First step, we need to extract the flaxseed gel. Put in a little pot 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, add 250 milligrams of water and stir periodically for about 10 minutes. Same thing, in a pot we put 2 tablespoons of rice and 250 milligrams of water. Stir periodically until it's well cooked. For the flaxseed, you need to stir periodically until it simmers and the white foam is formed. And for the rice, you need to wait until it's completely cooked. When you see the liquid gets jelly, put it aside and wait to cool down. And I advise you not to wait too long because it will get too thick. So with the help of a sieve, metal sieve, I slowly squeeze it out. It's taking me a bit longer because the gel cooled down and became more thicker. So I advise you right away when you take it from the flames to stir it through the sieve, and it will be more liquidy and it will come up more easier. The rice is boiling, but you need to wait until it's completely cooked. Keep stirring, otherwise the rice will stick to the bottom. You need to wait until it will absorb all the water and it will become of a mushy texture. Now all the water is absorbed and the rice became creamy and easy to mash. So same thing you're gonna do with rice. It's gonna take a bit longer and it's a bit more difficult to squeeze, but slowly, with a bit of patience, it's gonna come out. You see, it's supposed to come out like a gooey paste like this, white and gooey and sticky. This is perfect. Tasty. We are slowly, very slowly getting there. Sorry, I just had a bit of boiled rice. Let's proceed with the mixing of the ingredients. We put a big fat tablespoon of rice, 2 tablespoons of this gooey jelly mass. We put a teaspoon of honey. We put vitamin E oil. Like the vitamin E, also a teaspoon of olive oil. And 5 drops of lavender oil. Mix all the ingredients very well together. It's gonna take a while to mix them properly, but do so. So I mixed very well all the ingredients. This is how it's supposed to look like. This amount, it will be enough for 2-3 masks. And the mix you can keep in the fridge for up to 1 week. So you do this mask during the week and be ready for the weekend. Before showing you how to apply the face mask, I would like to tell you that I'm also an environmentalist. And with my husband, we opened recently our own charity organization called Try to Give Back. All the revenues generated by our YouTube videos will be entirely used to fund our charitable actions, like planting trees, support conservation projects, help animal sanctuaries, and bring aid to poor communities. So please, if you haven't done it yet, give us a big like, subscribe to our channel, and share our videos with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram. It doesn't cost you a thing, but it can really help our cause. Thank you for your support. And if you would like to find out more about our charity organization, you can find the video up here. First, you take off the makeup and then wash properly your face. So the face is clean now. You let it dry and you can apply the mask. You can use a brush to apply or your hand. I will use a brush and you can do it in front of a mirror. In my case, it will be a mobile phone. So let's start. There you go. Look how beautiful and gorgeous I am. So when the mask is applied, you wait until it dries out. I normally wait up to 1 hour. I usually love to stay on the sun and get tanned, but for this mask, I recommend you to stay in the shade or inside your house. So I'm gonna enjoy the views while my husband will do the rest of the cleaning.
You wish.
Ta-da! Don't worry, ladies, this is not the final result. I know that I look very sad, old, tired, but this is normal. I had it on for about 1 hour and a half, the mask, and right now I'm gonna go and wash it off with warm water, slowly, with patience. It's gonna come off. A bit difficult, but it will.
How is it going?
Slowly, but efficiently. I feel good. It feels so good to take it off.
And be able to speak again.
Yeah. And this is the final result. After first application, you will notice the difference in your skin. Your skin will be more tighter, glowing, you will feel so nice and smooth. But obviously, after 3-4 times, you will start seeing the results. Your fine lines will start to disappear, your wrinkles will start to disappear, your face will look glowing. And this is what you're looking for. I hope you liked the video and it did provide you with some useful information. And now you have a new mask to try it for yourself. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Now I'm gonna go watch the sunset.